Archie! Oh no, the snow! Look at that! There is. What you doing to me? Huh? Wait, put a gloves. So cold. Chili's there.
It's at Walmart.
Yeah, and Walmart. There.
Daddy, no,
It's different.
Oh no, Abba snow here.
Sun's coming out.
And RJ is there. I don't do that. Here's Daddy. RJ.
end of you, Mommy. The end of you.
Yep, you happy?
Mommy, yes. Mommy didn't pass it.
Yeah, good go,
Just
good.
kidding.
Just kidding.
Oh, snowing!
Yeah, it's snowing here.
Snowing with sun.
See, here is.
Come together. They get thunder, lightning. Sometimes you get hail in the summer.
What makes
It's snowing little bit. There it is.
We're just taking a drive on a snowy day.
Yeah, so snowy.
We built a lot of new houses.
Yeah. And where is RJ? He hiding. It's RJ. He's just driving here.
Don't tell Daddy.
There's Daddy.
Don't
Belly?
tell
Get it?
Mommy.
No,
Don't
no.
tell Mommy. Don't tell Mommy.
Here
Mommy
is.
did not pass the test.
No, I passed, RJ.
Mommy did not pass the test. Mommy
No, I'm
did not
passed.
pass the
I'm happy that RJ I'm
Mommy
passed.
did not pass
So that I have no more
Mommy did not
studying, RJ.
Oh, you know some basic American history. And
Yes, so tired to study. RJ have so many 100 civics
who was
question.
Lincoln? Did they ask that?
Lincoln?
Yeah.
No.
Garvey
That's good.
Harper.
What about Benjamin?
Lincoln
You
No.
Harper.
You can take the test again. It's still on your brain.
Mommy.
There it is.
Where is?
You jump off there, free fall. Have a rope attached to you.
And here he is. We're here now.
This is Farmington, the old
Farmington. The old Farmington here.
You're so close.
Is the tree of snow? Got the tree, RJ.
These are pretty old trees.
Oh, that tree is brown here too.
Snow lined. In January, all those leaves probably fall off.
Yep.
They should have fallen off by now, but they didn't.
Did not yet fall.
So the new green leaves come out in April.
Yeah.
You wouldn't know you're in the middle of the desert, huh?
We're here in the middle of the desert.
Right against the desert mountain. Looks like we're somewhere like northeast,
Yeah.
not southwest. Oh, you know what we just passed back there?
What's that?
That's where we get passports.
Oh yeah.
In the town of
Where
Farmington.
is it?
Look at that house. It's big.
What brand new house do you?
Big.
Ah, this is Symphony, honey.
Symphony.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
Symphony.
they have a subdivision going in?
Yeah, that's a Symphony Farmington.
I never saw that.
Where is it?
Want to go look?
Where is the driving place?
No, not
It's
yet. So
I'm
far
turning
away.
around. I gotta
RJ.
turn around.
Oh no, we go turn around, Daddy. Here.
It's one way.
It's one way, right?
Look at the rope. All is white.
They painted white.
They painted.
Oh, Snow White.
Yep, Snow White. They paint.
If we have a white, they paint the roof white and the snow falling down. It'll be like white.
Painting all white. The
You wouldn't even see the snow. Be camouflaged.
painting all the rope white, RJ.
Daddy,
There it is, right down there.
Yeah.
Daddy,
And look at that.
Look at the lagoon.
I've never seen that view before.
See, nice view, lagoon. And we go there in the building. Inside, the driver box permit to drive, RJ.
The
Driver's
50
permit.
questions test.
Yep.
And there's no place to find all 50 questions on the
Where's
internet.
driving? Yes.
Yep.
Where is it?
Hey, we here. The driver license division. There
Are you
is.
staying here, RJ?
No.
And get your boots on.
There.
Whoa,
Oh no, the snow. Look at that. Look at that, RJ. Come here now.
Okay.
Yay, so cold, RJ. Here is. What?
Snow's over here.
Oh no!
What's that?
A lot of snow.
catch
We go.
Inside.
Go inside, RJ.
I catched one. I catched one, but no. This yucking. This is one.
Here is the book. Daddy. Hello! Look at that, RJ, the snow. What, honey? Okay, we're going now to Farmington Station.
What's Fountain Station?
That you have playground there, RJ.
Oh my God.
There'll be no kids there.
There is snowing, RJ. Maybe have no
Daddy,
kids there.
I want the just
And
yuck.
we buy habit.
I just want the yuck there.
We
Okay, we'll
hungry
look. We'll
now.
pass by it, okay?
No,
Okay.
I'm gonna go outside.
I'm not getting out.
Why?
I don't want to. It's wet.
Yep, it's wet, RJ.
You're gonna sit
So
on
cold,
the climb
RJ.
on
too.
wet and cold.
Yep.
There'll be no kids there. If there's kids there, that would be crazy.
Doing them.
This place is really built up now. Huh?
Yep.
Now I need the sunglasses.
There is
Now I need no.
Mercedes-Benz there. This is the growing city. So nice now.
Burger
Farmington.
Grill have it. Burger Grill have it in front of.
Okay, we're going in.
Before here, it's not like this, the Farmington. Now it's so nice. Look at, see, nice.
They even have electric
White.
charging stations for electric cars.
Yeah, white snow, RJ. Look at, see the plants, RJ, the tree. Wow.
Where is it?
It's right over behind that building, the
Yep.
donut shop. It's over here, OJ. See if you can see.
There is the playground. RJ, have no people there.
There's the slot. Nobody there. Empty.
Yep, have no kids there.
See it, RJ?
Hey, I see somebody there.
Oh, so you want to go join that somebody?
RJ, we not go there.
It's not just the cold, it's wet.
Yes, wet too. Make you wet.
You get sick.
Yep.
Get all your clothes wet.
Yep.
I'm just gonna step.
Hey, the snow! Look at the falling snow! Look at that, nice! Okay, we got to have it now. So I'm hungry now. I'm
You
hungry.
gonna bring it home to eat though?
Yep, we bring at home to eat the habit. And there is the habit. We have no people here. Oh my God, close. Oh my goodness, have no people there. It's close.
Let's see that.
It says open, so.
Maybe nobody's hungry for it.
All is full, RJ.
Open.
And you're out the door. You staying here?
I want
Yep, and
I want
stay here,
two
RJ.
of them. One,
Okay, let me know. I'm
one
sleeping now.
I eat and a spare.
Is it
Daddy?
snowing out, OJ? I'll ask, okay?
We try to get two of them.
Okay, I wait
There's a
here,
spare
RJ.
And the one like
Yeah, just wait here, huh?
You got your boots on, RJ?
Yeah, put your boots, yeah. Still there. Okay, RJ.
What?
Oh, look at the snow. Oh my goodness, it's a lot of snow. No, the snow. Make heavy snow now. So cold outside. Where's RJ? Hello. Ah, my God. What you doing? What you doing to me? Huh?
Where should I put this?
Did you see me?
Yeah, it's scared. I think it is going.
You didn't see it? You were like this. You know?
Yeah, but
Did you get it on film?
How you? Why
I
was?
don't know if
Why
I
was he scared?
Down.
Yeah. I not think that you throw.
And he got scared.
Okay, good now.
Give me the gummy bear.
Yeah, turn.
Okay, RJ, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Here is RJ shoveling. RJ, you shoveling, RJ. Look at that there. Put a gloves, RJ. Ay, put a gloves. So cold, you make your clothes. Yeah.
Where's the other one?
Okay guys, after you see us, we shovel here. We're here now in the house. Guys, we're done now shoveling.
And here's some snow for you.
The snow.
And more snow.
Yay! No, you want to make a snowman?
This is what
Yes.
the snow feels like.
Yes.
Is it good?
See, that is so cold, RJ.
Good?
Yeah,
To make a snowman?
look at that. Look like 4
Like
inches. No, snowman. Don't. Don't do that.
I got you. Look your pants.
Yeah, don't do that. It makes me wet.
Wipe it off.
Yeah.
Hey, watch me.
Okay, good now. Go make a snowman. You want a snowman?
We're going to have a big snow.
No, you know how to make snowman.